Some of you seem to be having some trouble with your APA citations, so I just wanted to review quickly where to find the example and how to apply it to your work. So from anywhere in the course, access the Start Here menu. You'll see a link to it on the left menu bar. From the Start Here menu, open the Course Resources folder, and then open the APA Format page. Scroll down past the video that shows you how to set up your Word document. You might want to review that before doing your essays that are due in week 2. But below the example, you'll see instructions for creating reference and in-text citations using works from an anthology, which is what we're using. Okay, your textbook is an anthology or a collection of shorter works. Here's the basic format. And then down here are some examples. You'll notice that there's one for each literature class, one for American Lit, one for English Lit, and one for World Lit. So since we're working with American Lit, I would just suggest you copy the citation that's here, put it in a blank Word document. This would be great if I were going to cite a quote from Franklin's remarks concerning the savages of North America. But if I don't, if I'm not working with that one, I can just modify it. For example, I want to create a citation for Anne Bradstreet's To My Dear and Loving Husband. So I'm just going to change the author's name. It's always the author's last name and first initial. The year of publication of the textbook doesn't change, so I leave that alone. Here I just replace the title. Okay, please notice that capitalization rules are different for reference citations. Only the first word and any proper nouns are capitalized. Okay, that holds true for any title in your reference citations. In the body of your post or your assignment, you would still capitalize it traditionally. Okay, so I've changed the title. The editor's names don't change. You can leave those right alone. The title of the textbook doesn't change. Here I'm only working with one page that the poem is on, so I change PP, which means multiple pages, to just P period and then the page number. And there's my citation. Okay, for the in-text citation, which goes at the end of the sentence following the quote, I just put the author's last name, the year of publication, and the page number in parentheses, and that's it. If I'm using this citation for one of my discussion forum posts, then I can just leave it alone, because the editor that allows you to cut and paste or to put in your discussion forum entries does not allow you to format the way that you would in a Word document. So if I'm going to use this citation in a writing assignment or in a formal essay, I'm going to want to format it appropriately. So I'm going to want to double space it. So I highlight the citation, hold down the Control button and tap the 2 to create a double space. And then I'm going to create a hanging indent by moving the second and subsequent lines in 1/2 inch. And then I can just copy and paste this or use it in my citations for either a writing assignment or for a formal essay. If you have any questions at all about creating citations or using them in your document, please let me know.